Anybody know Bonnie Raitt? You know Bonnie Raitt? Could you get her this song for me? Give me a little more monitor. Will it come to you like it came to me? Like a 2x4 knock me to my knees. Will it warm your heart? Will it chill your soul? Will it drive you mad, cause you to lose all control? It can come to you when you least expect. It can change your mind and make you a total wreck. But when love comes, it's a wondrous game. You learn to win, or you learn to walk away. But when love comes, you've got to go all in, yeah. Cause even if you lose, you can't wait to play again, play it again, yeah. Play it again! That's love. Say that's love. You drink it up like the waters of life, hoping you can catch a high and ride it all night. Sometimes it's fast, like a rocket ride, yeah. Sometimes it's slow and it can even hurt your pride. But there's nothing like it in all the world. You take a chance when you give love a whirl. But when love comes, it's a wondrous game. You learn to win, or you learn to walk away. But when love comes, you got to go all in, yeah. Cause even if you lose, you can't wait to play again, play it again, play it again, yeah. That's love. Love comes, it's a wondrous game. You know you can win, you hope you can walk away. But when love comes, you've got to go all in, yeah. Cause even if you lose, you can't wait to play again, play it again, play it again. That's love. Oh yeah, that's love. And that's love. So that's love. You know, a little more guitar and monitor. Well, I gotta get pretty because these two got really pretty, so. Went down to the water, washed my soul clean. Broke down at the edge, begging for sympathies. And I've done things I can't take back. Life is cruel with those hard facts. But I'm ready, I could change. But it won't happen overnight. This is a struggle and a fight. But I'm ready now. It's time to change. 100 days ago, she slipped out that door. She said she couldn't take the pain of us anymore. And I've done things you can't take back. Life is cruel with those hard facts. But if she's ready, she can change. It won't happen overnight. It's a struggle and a fight. But if she's ready now, she could change. We were kids back then, making those mistakes, bending everything, till it breaks. And we did things we can't take back. Life's cruel with those hard facts. But if we're ready, we can change. It won't happen overnight. It's a struggle and a fight. But if we're ready, we can change. And I've done things I can't take back. Life is cruel with those hard facts. But I'm ready, I'm gonna change. And it can happen overnight. But it's a struggle and a fight. But I'm ready now. It's time to change. Time to change. Time to change. Became a man, paved the way, changed the future and being a slave. He taught us how to think and believe. He shared a vision what we all could be. But they shot him down thinking that they had won, not realize the future had already begun. Yeah. 40 acres in a new ride. Been through hell, I'm on the other side. 40 acres and a mule was a lie. "40 acres and a mule." Yeah, the gift is fight. To take that gift from this bloody fight. A piece of land and a chance to be free. Build a home and a family. But they took it back, sent me on my way. But I'm blessed now, I'm a free man today. Yeah. 40 acres in a new ride. Been through hell, I'm on the other side. 40 acres and a mule was a lie. 40 acres and a new ride. Been reborn, finally alive. 40 acres and a new ride. Call me the handyman. I can fix most anything. Women call me day or night. Something's wrong if it just ain't right. Call the man. Call me handyman. I don't see nobody wiggling. Come on. If it's tight, I'll loosen it. Take my time for the perfect fit. I do things that most men won't. 'Cause to me, it just ain't broken. Call me. Call me handyman. Take my time, get it right. Hard and fast, slow all night. One thing for certain, get what you need. Come with me, I'll set you free. Need a little help right here. If you're and you're up all night, just can't sleep 'cause you're wound up tight, give me a call most any time. Yeah, more orgasm, more feelings for your mind. Call the man. Call me handyman. This is the man. Call me handyman. This is the man. Call me handyman. Hey, I'm Mark Noble. Go to Mark Noble Music, and it's all free. It's all free. This is called Nashville Songwriter Blues. Something keeps knocking me down. Every day my dreams come crashing to the ground. I keep searching for a way, but all I find is another busted play. Hey, 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 I keep trying, Lord knows I do it. Got those Nashville songwriter blues.